Some of you may remember a video featuring the lovely limited edition wagons and vans produced by the Burnham District Model Railway Society that I made a while back. I'll place a link in this video's description box to the Burnham District Model Railway Society. Please have a visit, they're really well worthwhile. The Society commissions special designs and not only includes a detailed history carefully researched about each company featured, but also, as a result of your purchase, various worthy causes are helped. But before we have a look at my latest additions, let me introduce you to our locomotive for this video. The London and South Western Railway K10 class was a 440 steam locomotive designed for mixed traffic work. They were introduced on the London South Western in 1901 and 1902 to the design of Drummond, where they earned the nicknames of small hoppers. Drummond adopted the solution of a small-wheeled 440 he had previously employed on the Caledonian Railway. The resulting K10 had the same 5'7" diameter coupled wheels as the M7. The class was 40 strong. 329 here was built in December 1901 and withdrawn in April 1950. The class saw wartime service overseas and spent time on the Somerset and Dorset line and even in Nottingham before returning to the Southern. This model, built by my dad, was made from a much adapted Wills T9 kit and a scratch built chassis with a lovely Porterscat coreless motor fitted. Okay, let's see what's hiding in the goods shed. First up we have this lovely cider van belonging to Norman Hunt & Sons from Sedlescombe in East Sussex. This is van number 4 and is branded to Croman Sussex Cider. The company has been growing apples since the 1930s. Purchasing this van helps a local children's hospice. I really like this van. As you notice, it's number 4, so I just had to purchase number 5. This time it's branded to Hornet Dry Sussex Cider. Okay, let's get our driver on 329 to move forward a little bit more and see what's revealed. So now we have a lovely 6-wheel tanker, branded to Sheppey's, Masters of Cider. This company is one of the oldest, going back over 200 years. Purchasing this tanker helps support Musgrove Leukemic Group in Somerset. Now these models are by Daypole, and I always find it necessary to change out the leading and rear wheels for Hornby ones and leave the Daypole in the middle, because otherwise it tends to teeter. So if your track isn't absolutely perfect, it can derail. But it's up to you. The wheels are nice, but I do find that. Let's have a look at the last of my new additions. So here we have a lovely yellow van in the livery of Riddler's Cider from Hereford. Remember that each wagon comes with its own little card stating the history of the company. Now if you're not feeling thirsty enough already, let's watch the K10 as she takes these vehicles and combines them with my original ones and heads off to deliver all this lovely refreshing drink.